Grace Busk. I'm a fourth-year PhD student working in Dr. Clay Gabler's lab, and I'm working on a fellowship with NASA, the NASA Space Technology Research Fellowship. So part of my fellowship is I go to a NASA center every summer for about 10 weeks. So the past 2 summers I've spent time at NASA Johnson Space Center in Houston, Texas. NASA is planning to send the first woman, next man to the moon in 2024, and the hope is that my research can help understand and help design for human health and performance on these future surface exploration missions. How do we simulate the cognitive demands of a spacewalk? We can use a treadmill, we can increase the incline on a treadmill and make someone walk faster with a weighted suit to increase the physical demand, but it's a little bit more difficult to simulate the cognitive and stressful aspect of spacewalks that our astronauts experience. I'm developing a predictive model of cognitive state for astronauts. So I'm doing that using physiological signals, so your brain activity, heart activity, skin response, sweat response. I'm taking all these signals together and building this model while human subjects do different cognitive tasks in the lab. So one of the tasks that I have people do is the multi-attribute task battery. It's kind of like a desktop flight simulator. And I'm also working with experts at NASA to develop a more spaceflight relevant simulation. So virtual reality or VR simulation to look at the cognitive demands of spacewalks. I'm able to take my experience from NASA, seeing the different operations and the research that's going on, especially as we prepare for this Lunar 2024 mission. And I'm able to come back with kind of a new insight to NASA's missions and goals and how my research can fit into that.